3 animals that survive even after being cut. First, the snakes. Snakes are cold-blooded. Even if their heads are cut off, their metabolism is so slow that the brain and nervous system continue to function for hours. Second, the lizards. Lizards are masters of survival. When caught by a predator, they voluntarily detach their tails. This way, while the predator is busy, they quickly escape and survive. Third, the Planarian. You can't cut them, you just multiply them. Each piece becomes a new worm. Every piece creates a new brain.